Hi, Richard from Handset Detection here. Question we get a lot from developers and designers is what's the best way to test my mobile website? You've got a couple of options there. One of the very popular options in North America, the UK and even Europe is Device Anywhere. Device Anywhere is an awesome service. I don't know how they do it, but it's fantastic. They've got cell phones hooked up to pretty much all the major carriers all through that region. It's a great service. I think they've got a free trial. You can jump in there and give it a go. So Device Anywhere, that's actual software running on actual devices. The next option you've got, it's a bit of a easy option, is to use emulators. Now emulators can be a little bit hit and miss sometimes. It's probably a decent baseline though, so it's definitely worth giving that a go. The other option that we use here in the office is that we've got a shoebox full of mobile phones, and we tend to use them on Wi-Fi. So we've got a whole bunch of phones. You can probably pop down to a pawn shop or something like that, grab yourself half a dozen popular phones. You want to test a good mix of old phones and new phones as well, and try and get phones that have got Wi-Fi, because that's going to make it heaps easier than having to do all that hoopla with the carriers. You want to try and avoid that if possible. The great thing about Device Anywhere is just before you go live, you do want to become aware of carrier issues, because carriers are going to have different proxy and different sort of network, and perhaps maybe even some transcoding that they might be doing there. So before you go live, you are definitely going to want to conduct live tests. But yeah, they're my three big recommendations. For doing quick development testing, so say you're testing mobile website redirection, just redirection off your main site, then you can use the Firefox User Agent Switcher. It's a fantastic tool. It's really easy to configure up. You just jump in there, you put half a dozen of your favorite mobile browsers in there, maybe mix it up with a couple of mobile devices that aren't browsers, like maybe Nintendo DSi, or put an iPad in there or something like that to test that as well. And that's a great way to effectively masquerade as a mobile device during testing. So there's my tips for testing. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot an email to richard@handsetdetection.com, and I'll see if I can help you out. Cheers, bye for now.